Setting up lifetime commissions in your affiliate platform can dramatically increase your earnings while keeping your affiliates motivated for the long term. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up lifetime commissions in your affiliate platform step by step so you can start seeing results right away. First off, you want to make sure you're using a software that allows for lifetime commission tracking. Many platforms only offer one-time commission structures, but the best affiliate platforms give you the flexibility to set up ongoing lifetime commissions. The software we'll be using today is one of those platforms. I've tried out all the popular ones, and I'll tell you, this software gives you the best control over your affiliate structure. Once you've signed up for the software, the next step is to create a new affiliate program. Go to the Affiliate Settings or Commission Settings tab in the software. From there, you'll want to choose Recurring Commission as the payment type. This ensures that once an affiliate makes a sale, they'll continue to earn commissions for the lifetime of the customer, every time they make a purchase. Now, let's get specific about the percentage. You can set your lifetime commission percentage based on your business model and margin. I recommend starting with a rate that's fair, but still incentivizes your affiliates, typically between 10–30% for lifetime commissions. Next, set up the duration of the commission payments. While some platforms may only allow you to set a specific duration, the software we're using today lets you choose lifetime as the duration. That means affiliates will get paid every time the customer makes a purchase for as long as they remain a customer. The next step is to adjust the cookie window. The cookie window is how long after the first click an affiliate gets credit for a sale. For lifetime commissions, you'll want to set this as long as possible, ensuring affiliates get credit for any sales that come from that initial click. After that, go ahead and create your affiliate links for your products. This is where it gets exciting. Now your affiliates can start sharing these links and earning lifetime commissions. When setting up these links, make sure to add tracking parameters that help you understand which affiliates are driving the most long-term value. Finally, be sure to communicate these lifetime commissions clearly to your affiliates. Let them know how they can benefit from this long-term partnership and keep them motivated. You could also consider adding bonuses or tiered rewards for affiliates who generate high lifetime sales to boost engagement and performance. To recap, here's what you need to do. 1. Choose a platform that allows lifetime commissions. 2. Set your affiliate program to offer recurring commissions. 3. Decide on a fair commission percentage for lifetime sales. 4. Set the duration to lifetime in the software. 5. Configure a long cookie window to track long-term conversions. 6. Set up and share affiliate links with your partners. 7. Communicate with your affiliates to keep them engaged. Key takeaway: setting up lifetime commissions is all about creating a win-win for both you and your affiliates. When you offer lifetime commissions, you're not just incentivizing one-time sales, but building a long-term partnership that keeps affiliates motivated and loyal. Before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we're using today in the description below. It's only available to my viewers. Don't miss out on this chance to set up your lifetime commissions and start growing your affiliate program today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.